Our anti-itch remedy was really formulated out of necessity. I myself get poison oak and poison ivy really badly. I'm one of those people that if I itch it just a little bit before I know that it's poison oak or poison ivy, it just fully erupts on my skin and I get like the weeping and the oozing and all that stuff. So we designed this anti-itch remedy to help soothe and heal the skin and help to reduce the itchiness involved with poison oak and poison ivy. And because of that, it's great to help with any itchiness that you might be experiencing because of bug bites. What's in this little bottle is raw apple cider vinegar, rose water, aloe vera juice, and then we steep herbs of chamomile, calendula, and comfrey. We add menthol crystals and essential oils of lavender, helichrysum, tea tree, and peppermint. So there's so many beneficial actions with the formula. It's antibacterial, it's cooling for the skin because it has things like rose water, aloe vera juice, the menthol crystals, the peppermint. So when you wake up in the evening, when poison oak and poison ivy starts to like itch a lot when you're sleeping, if you just have this on your bedside table, just to spritz it or mist it directly on the rash, it's going to help reduce the itchiness. The comfrey, calendula, helichrysum, all great to help heal the skin. So also there's Himalayan salt in this. And that's going to help dry up any of that oozing and weeping. So it's a great ally to have by your side if you know you're prone to poison oak, poison ivy, or if you just want to help reduce the itch of any common bug bites. And to use it, it's really simple. You would just maybe shake it up so you can get the salt all mixed in, and then you would just spray onto the affected area.